Dear friends, for so long we have believed that bone broth or chicken feet soup are the most nourishing foods for our joints and for our entire body. But the truth is, there is a way to support our health that is even more powerful. It can rejuvenate our cells, naturally build muscle, strengthen the heart, improve sleep quality, and keep the mind clear and steady. It sounds unbelievable, right? But it is absolutely true. With just one small cup a day, we can activate the body's natural cell repair mechanism, reduce inflammation, increase endurance, maintain a leaner physique, and slow down aging in the most natural way. Especially after the age of 50, when the body begins to lose muscle, fatigue appears more often, the skin becomes less firm, and memory starts to decline. Gentle natural methods of caring for our body become more valuable than ever. Today, I want to share with you a healing drink that nourishes the body from the inside out, bringing vitality, energy, and visible improvements after just a few weeks of consistent use. This video is truly valuable, so please stay with me. Just give me a few minutes, and together we'll explore the golden quartet that helps rejuvenate cells, build natural muscle strength, brighten the skin, sharpen the mind, and support overall health in a simple yet effective way. With just 4 simple ingredients, when combined, they create a gentle formula that supports youthfulness, strength, and resilience from within. The more consistently we drink it, the firmer the muscles become, the brighter the skin appears, and the calmer and clearer the mind feels. And if you find these sharings helpful, I would truly appreciate a like and a subscription to the channel so I can continue bringing you more practical and peaceful health tips every day. Cherry blossom now, let's begin. Before we move into the recipe, I want you to clearly understand why rejuvenation and muscle strengthening matters so much once we reach middle age. After the age of 40, the body does not weaken suddenly. It changes quietly. Each year, muscle mass decreases little by little, making walking heavier, climbing stairs harder, and causing back pain whether we sit too long or stand too long. As muscles shrink, metabolism slows, blood sugar becomes unstable, and fatigue lingers. That's why many people gain weight even when they eat very little or constantly feel low in energy. At the same time, our cells age every single day. When cells are damaged by oxidative stress and environmental factors, we begin to notice dull skin, poor sleep, memory lapses, blurry vision, and joint discomfort. When cells age, the entire body ages with them. But the good news is that the body still has an incredible ability to repair itself when it receives the right nutrients. Research from Professor David Sinclair shows that by activating the body's natural rejuvenation pathways, cells become stronger, inflammation decreases, energy rises, and the whole system functions more efficiently. When cells are healthy, the body is healthy, muscles become firmer, sleep becomes deeper, the mind becomes sharper, and those lingering aches gradually fade. And the beautiful part is this: you don't need expensive treatments or medication. With the right natural nutrients, the body can reset and rejuvenate from within. Right after this, I will share with you 4 natural ingredients, considered by many anti-aging experts, including Professor David Sinclair, to be golden nutrients that help rejuvenate cells, strengthen muscles, and increase energy safely and naturally. And now, dear friends, let's go into the recipe. The first ingredient is 6 to 8 purple grapes. Purple grapes always come first because they contain resveratrol, a very special compound that scientists, including Professor David Sinclair, have spent many years studying. Resveratrol is not just an ordinary antioxidant, it directly influences the cellular pathways that regulate longevity. When resveratrol enters the body, it helps activate the SIRT1 and AMPK genes, 2 biological switches that play a key role in initiating self-repair, clearing free radicals, protecting cell membranes, and enhancing mitochondrial activity. which is where our entire body's energy is produced. Once these pathways are awakened, the cells work more efficiently. Inflammation decreases, DNA damage is reduced, and the aging process naturally slows down. Because of this, purple grapes not only support healthy skin and a strong heart, but also help strengthen muscles, increase endurance, reduce fatigue, and improve post-exercise recovery. For adults over 40, when muscle mass begins to decline and overall strength is no longer the same, the natural polyphenols in purple grapes bring very noticeable benefits. The second ingredient in today's golden quartet is cooled green tea. About 150 to 180 milliliters. Green tea may seem familiar and simple, but it carries extremely powerful nutrients for cellular health. Its most remarkable compound is EGCG, a highly potent antioxidant often called a biological shield that protects the body from inflammation and premature aging. When EGCG enters the body, it helps clear harmful free radicals that damage cells and accelerate aging. At the same time, green tea boosts mitochondrial function, the place where energy is produced, helping us feel more alert, lighter, and less tired. For anyone dealing with stress, shallow sleep, or morning fatigue, a cup of cooled green tea each day is a very valuable way to nourish the cells. Green tea also supports fat metabolism, helping the body burn energy more efficiently and reduce the accumulation of excess fat. This is why many people in midlife, when drinking green tea consistently along with light activity, feel their body becoming leaner, their skin brighter, and their cardiovascular health more stable. The polyphenols in green tea help reduce inflammation, support liver detoxification, and calm the nervous system, contributing to deeper sleep at night. One point worth emphasizing is that green tea works best when consumed cooled, because high temperatures can reduce its valuable EGCG content. The third ingredient is 8 to 10 blueberries, a tiny fruit with tremendous cellular protective power. What makes blueberries truly outstanding is their anthocyanins, the natural blue-purple pigments that have strong antioxidant effects and help protect DNA from the silent damage that occurs every day. When anthocyanins enter the body, they act like protective armor for the cells, neutralizing free radicals, reducing chronic inflammation, and strengthening the resilience of blood vessel walls. Thanks to this, blueberries support a healthier heart, smoother circulation, and especially improved mental clarity. For individuals over 40, when memory decline, forgetfulness, fatigue, and difficulty focusing become more common, blueberries provide very natural and noticeable improvement. Blueberries also support beauty from within. By protecting DNA and reducing inflammation, the skin becomes brighter, more even-toned, and less prone to early aging. People with sensitive skin, frequent irritation, or age-related pigmentation often notice healthier, more radiant skin when consuming blueberries regularly. In addition, blueberries help stabilize blood sugar and reduce oxidative stress, two major drivers of accelerated aging in middle age. The final ingredient in today's golden quartet is chia seeds, 1 teaspoon, about 5 grams. Even though chia seeds are tiny, they carry tremendous nutritional value, especially for adults in middle age and beyond. The most precious part of chia seeds lies in 3 key nutrients: plant-based omega-3, plant-based protein, and soluble fiber, all essential for maintaining endurance, muscle strength, and a stable digestive system. When chia's omega-3 enters the body, it helps reduce inflammation, soften blood vessel walls, and support smoother circulation. This is extremely important because after the age of 40, the body easily slips into a low-grade chronic inflammatory state, one of the hidden reasons behind fatigue, joint discomfort, and accelerated aging. Natural omega-3 from chia seeds helps calm this process in a safe and sustainable way. Chia seeds also provide a gentle amount of plant-based protein, supporting muscle recovery and keeping daily strength stable. For anyone who experiences muscle weakness, shaky limbs when tired, or easy exhaustion during even light activities, adding protein is essential. When chia seeds are combined with purple grapes, green tea, and blueberries, the energy delivered to the cells becomes more stable, helping the body stay strong, grounded, and flexible. The soluble fiber in chia seeds is also a true treasure for the digestive system. When soaked, chia seeds form a natural gel that soothes the stomach, supports healthy bowel movement, and helps stabilize blood sugar. Anyone who often experiences internal heat, constipation, bloating, or indigestion can clearly feel the benefits of using chia seeds regularly. This natural gel also helps the body retain water more effectively, preventing fatigue and lightheadedness caused by mild dehydration, something many middle-aged adults experience without realizing the reason. When purple grapes, green tea, blueberries, and chia seeds come together, the body receives far greater benefits than when consuming each ingredient separately. Resveratrol in grapes activates the SIRT1 rejuvenation switch. EGCG in green tea clears free radicals and reduces inflammation. And anthocyanins in blueberries protect DNA and blood vessel walls. These three nutrient groups complement one another, allowing the cells to be protected, repaired, and restored all at once. As a result, the aging process slows naturally, and the body feels healthier and more youthful from within. But it doesn't stop there. This combination also strengthens the muscles and boosts natural endurance. Resveratrol supports energy production in muscle cells. Omega-3 and protein from chia seeds help muscles recover more quickly. And green tea reduces inflammation after physical activity. These are extremely valuable benefits for adults over 40 or 50, when muscle mass gradually declines year after year. When all four ingredients blend together, they offer steady energy and mental clarity without the jitteriness of coffee. Green tea provides gentle alertness. Grapes and blueberries offer natural energy. And chia seeds help keep blood sugar stable so you don't feel tired halfway through the day. Because of this, you will feel less sluggish, more refreshed, and less sleepy during daily activities. The benefits for the heart are equally impressive. Resveratrol helps soften blood vessels and stabilize blood pressure. Chia seeds help reduce bad cholesterol. And green tea lowers systemic inflammation and helps prevent plaque buildup. Together, they create a natural shield that is especially helpful for anyone dealing with high cholesterol, high blood pressure, or a weakened cardiovascular system. This golden quartet also nourishes the brain beautifully. Anthocyanins in blueberries support blood flow to the brain. EGCG protects nerve cells. And resveratrol supports smooth cerebral circulation. As a result, you may feel clearer, think better, and experience fewer dizzy spells or moments of forgetfulness. For beauty, the combination of blueberries and purple grapes reduces oxidation and helps prevent pigmentation. Green tea slows skin aging. And chia seeds provide natural hydration. With consistent use, the skin becomes brighter, more even-toned, and smoother with fewer fine lines. Finally, these four ingredients gently support gut health. Chia seeds provide soluble fiber for easier digestion. Polyphenols in grapes and blueberries protect the gut lining. And green tea nurtures healthy gut bacteria. Together, they help reduce bloating, constipation, and indigestion significantly. And now, dear friends, let's begin preparing a simple drink that carries powerful benefits for rejuvenation and natural muscle support. First, prepare a glass of cooled green tea. Why cooled tea? Because EGCG in green tea breaks down easily at high temperatures. So letting it cool helps preserve its valuable nutrients. This cup of tea serves as the foundation, helping detoxify the body, reduce inflammation, and support morning alertness. Next, add a few fresh purple grapes or a small amount of unsweetened pure grape juice. Purple grapes provide resveratrol, the nutrient that helps activate rejuvenation genes. when resveratrol enters the body together with green tea. The two work synergistically to enhance cellular repair and strengthen muscle function. After that, add some blueberries, fresh or frozen. Blueberries supply anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect DNA from damage. This contributes to brighter skin, better memory stability, and a slower natural aging process. Finally, add 1 small teaspoon of chia seeds and let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes until they expand. Once hydrated, chia seeds release omega-3, plant protein, and soluble fiber, helping you stay full longer, stabilize blood sugar, and support stronger muscle recovery. Thanks to their ability to hold water, chia seeds also help prevent dehydration and midday fatigue. When these 4 ingredients come together, you get a drink that is not only refreshing but also packed with a powerful system of anti-aging nutrients. With consistent use each morning, you will clearly feel the difference: a lighter body, a sharper mind, deeper sleep, and stronger muscles throughout daily activities. This drink is especially helpful for adults over 50, as it replenishes energy, supports heart health, protects the brain, and reduces lingering aches. It is one of the simplest and most natural ways to nourish youthful cells without relying on medication or expensive supplements. Dear friends, although this drink is highly beneficial, it is not suitable for everyone. Those taking blood thinners should be cautious because resveratrol may enhance the effect of the medication. Anyone with a sensitive stomach, frequent bloating, or diarrhea should reduce the fruit portion or drink it after meals to avoid discomfort. People with poorly controlled diabetes can still use it, but only in small amounts and with regular blood sugar monitoring. For those undergoing cancer treatment with targeted medication, it is safer to use only fresh fruits, not concentrated extracts. Individuals with berry allergies should test a small amount first. Pregnant and breastfeeding women can enjoy fresh fruits normally, but should avoid resveratrol supplements, as high concentrations lack sufficient safety research. Dear friends, today I've shared with you a very simple recipe that carries remarkable rejuvenating and muscle strengthening benefits. Thanks to the harmonious combination of purple grapes, green tea, blueberries, and chia seeds. From familiar, easy to find, completely natural ingredients, the body receives a generous supply of nutrients that boost energy, support heart health, brighten the skin, lighten the body, and strengthen overall vitality day by day. I hope you will try this drink consistently each morning to feel the gentle yet noticeable improvements in both health and well-being. And if today's sharing has been helpful, I would truly appreciate a like and a subscription to the channel so I can continue bringing you more peaceful, joyful, and practical health tips in future videos. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Wishing you abundant health, peace, and a youthful spirit every single day. See you in the next video.